Okay, so this is a regular overview of a Zapdos fossil. So this is a fossil set symbol. Let's look at the design. It's actually a very good design. I don't like it for some reason. But if you see that above you trying to get you, I think you're pretty much done for. So it has no weakness for some reason. And for some reason, as a electrical Pokemon, it's resistant to fighting type and ground, though it has 2 retreat costs. A legendary Thunderbird Pokemon whose anger is said to cause storms. Some say it has lived above the clouds for thousands of years. And its attack was pretty strong, since it's a basic Pokemon, though it needs 4 energy cards to work.